Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. One more temple design. We will discuss about the temple in this video, the designing part, what type of temples do we have. Before that, little information about Aarsun. We are the biggest mandir manufacturer, home mandir manufacturer in India, in fact across the globe, because we are delivering to 55 countries, and in this month we have added 3 more countries. And as we are diversifying, and due to these US tariffs and everything, we have started looking for new markets, and we are now getting orders from more countries. And this is a good thing, because we Indians, Sanatani people, are everywhere, and we always love to have a mandir, a home mandir in our home, that is more beautiful than our own place, because this is dedicated to the deities, to our devta, our bhagwan, who have given us everything in our life. So this has to be more beautiful, more artistic, more classy than everything else. And I'll show you this unit. Majorly the temples are of 2 to 3 types: without door, just like this one, with door. And then the construction of the temple depends on our puja paddhati, puja tradition. I'm sitting here, and you can see this is for sitting on the floor. Or maybe this one is prepared because the client has a platform already at his place. So when the platform is already ready, you don't need a storage, or you already have a storage there, you don't want that. So this is how it is made. But the changes, the customization, the size part, this is the important part that we work at. And that is why we make the temple as per your requirement. And that is the most important part. Any temple has 3 parts: the lower area below the platform, the middle area, that is the garbhagriha, and the top part. The top part where you see the Taj, it may have a kalash, a gopuram, or some other design depending on the requirement or your puja traditions. The garbhagriha can have doors or without door, or it can be completely open from 3 sides. Again, your choice part. And the storage part. The storage part completely depends on how you pray. You're sitting on the floor, you're sitting on a chair, or you're standing and praying. Accordingly, the platform height is adjusted, lower height or upper height. If you have already have a platform, something like this can really work. You can simply place it on the platform, or you sit on the floor and pray. Now this temple is 54 inches, 54 inches left to right, 4.5 feet. The total height is 5 feet, and front to back this is 21 inches. Made in teak wood. This is not fiber, this is not plastic, this is teak wood, painted in beautiful antique gold paint. And the antique gold paint has a special thing. If you see, every cut, every carving, every flower is visible so clearly when you have antique gold, because this is how the carving, the cuttings, the design is highlighted, and you get to see the look completely. When you have a single color, it's not that visible, but with the shading part, the black shading is looking so beautifully, so coming, everything is coming out. Now this is how the entire thing is done. And when we talk about the customization part, here we have a bhog tray, a big tray, as you can see. And below the tray, you can see the strip where we have Om and swastik. So this is what the client wanted, and we created it. This is the minor modification the client wanted. Rest the design is an old design that is customized to this size. Then we have a step inside. As you can see, step is again your choice, how big, 2 steps, 3 steps, multiple steps, or shelves on the sides. That again we confirm from you and make it accordingly. This one is going to Bangalore. In 55 countries we have delivered already. 3 more countries we have added recently. So now the tally will go to 58 countries where we have delivered our furniture, mandir, so many items. And all these are visible in the testimonial section on the website, where you can see so many people have bought so much stuff across the globe, and how it looks when it reaches the client's place, and they take the picture, send it back to us. It's an amazing feeling, because you feel blessed when people are so loving your furniture. And the best part is you get reference orders. You need not go to very expensive advertising and all, because people advertise for you, they give you references, orders, and that in itself is a testimony that we are doing real good work. Because units like these is not that easy. A few years ago, around 10 years back, the market didn't have so many designs. The market, because there are so many limited people who are working on such kind of items. A few suppliers in Gujarat and a few suppliers in down south, they were making the units. But now Aarsun is sitting here and making the world-class furniture. Even Yogi Ji Maharaj, our chief minister, recently visited our city, and he talked about this, that Saharanpur furniture is famous across the globe. We are giving Italy and Egypt and Turkey, these countries also, we are giving tough competition because the quality has improved so much. And all this happened because we have done so much effort in last 10 years. We have made such good stuff. We have delivered across the globe. We have got the trust. And this trust is the main thing that we have earned. And now there is so much business coming in India, in our city, and a lot other places. If we talk about wood carving furniture only, 10 years back, if you would have gone to a showroom, you would have find mostly Chinese furniture, plain furniture, fully covered furniture kind of stuff. Carving furniture was very limited. And our son has worked so hard. All the platforms, social media platforms, so you say YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest and Twitter, anywhere you go to the social media platform, and Arson has done so much marketing, so many videos, so much explanation, and that is one of the most important things because we give you details that no one else gives you, and that are the most important details that's very difficult to get. People don't give you the details like what should be the size, how the size is calculated, difference between bhog tray and diya tray. You go to a place, you buy a mandir, and then you feel that, oh, if the tray would have been bigger, it would have been better. And we discussed this in the beginning. So these points comes to your mind. Yes, this is the logical thing. It has to be this size. There should be a step. And if you have multiple murtis, one murti is right in the fit of other, and we are telling you that don't do this. Please place it higher. So we give every deity proper respect. These are very logical points. But when you go to a showroom and you see a temple, you don't come across that. These points do not come across the mind. But we discussed these points right in the beginning. And this is how we have so big catalog now. North Indian style, South Indian style, and I think Nepalese style we have made recently, and some other Buddhist kind of thing also coming up. So what you want, we have done a Christian cathedral, we have made Sikh Palki Sahib and Gurdwara Sahib and Sukhasan Sahib. All these things we are making because people are coming to us with different requirements. And so much work we have done that you can see in our catalog, in our website, YouTube videos. I think more than 2,500 videos we have on YouTube and all the social media platforms. The basic point remains what you want, the customization, the choice part. So that is why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. And it's such a blessing and such a proud thing that Yogi Ji Maharaj came to our city and praised our furniture, the city's furniture. That has a lot of effort, lot of work of arson, and everybody in city agrees to this because in 10 years we have turned around the business. We have brought so much business to the city. So many people who have left the work, the artisans, they really stopped working. They moved to other things. Now they're coming back to work. Their generations, their kids are coming back to the work. They're learning the artistic thing for carving. And this gives immense pleasure because we are working so hard and you are trusting us, blessing us. More money, more business for the locals, and the India factor that is always there. Unit is in front of you on the website, in more than 2,500 videos on YouTube. So much stuff everywhere. Pick what you like, design what you want from AI, from your even from your hand. Let us know what you want. We will make that and deliver to your home at factory price. The number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.